Welcome students, new chapter, Inorganic Chemistry. I am here to explain cation analysis, right? The flow of cations, how to identify cations. One essay questions in your A-level paper. Okay, let's start how to analyze cations. I consider cation sample this way. Just consider it's P or cation sample. It consists of lot of cations, right? Okay. In this cation sample, as a first region, I will apply dilute HCl acid. Dilute HCl acid. Once dilute acid add to the cation sample, if there are three major cations are present in the cation sample, they might be precipitates. Let's see what are those cations. It's a filtrate and the precipitate. Precipitate must be AgCl. If Ag ions are present, silver ions are present, its precipitate as AgCl. PbCl2, if Pb2 plus ions are present inside the cation sample, it precipitate as PbCl2, lead chloride, and Hg2Cl2. All three precipitates are white in color. White in color. Then I take the filtrate and move to second sample. I add dilute HCl and bubble the H2S gas. Bubble H2S gas through the filtrate, right? Once H2S gas filtrate in the solution, there are 10 major cations will be precipitates, right? 10 cations will be precipitate. Let's see. CuS, Bi2S3, HgS, and PbS. Those are black color precipitates. CdS, cadmium sulfide, As2S3, As2S5, SNS2. Those are yellow color precipitates. SNS, it's brown color. And lastly, antimony sulfide Sv2S3 precipitate as orange color sulfide. It's the only sulfide which is in orange color, right? Next, then take the filtrate out. First step, boil the filtrate to remove H2S gas. I can remove H2S gas by through boiling. Secondly, keep the solution to come to room temperature and add few drops of dilute nitric. Dilute nitric is somewhat strong oxidizing agent. Here dilute nitric used to oxidize Fe2 plus ions into Fe3 plus ions. And the third one, add some ammonium chloride with ammonium hydroxide to form basic medium. Here, three major cations will be precipitates. First one, ferric hydroxide. It's brown color. Chromium hydroxide, green color, blue green also okay, green color. And last one, aluminium hydroxide. It's an amphoteric oxide. It's a white gelatinous precipitate. White gelatinous precipitates. Okay. First, add some dilute HCl acids, silver chloride, lead chlorides and mercurous chloride will precipitate as white color precipitates. Then add some bubble some H2S gas to the acidified solution, filter it, then 10 sulfides precipitate as CuS, Bi2S3, HgS and PbS. Those are black color precipitates. CdS, As2S3, As2S5 and SNS2 yellow color precipitates and SNS brown color precipitate. At the antimony sulfide, it's orange color precipitate. Then take the filtrate out, boil to remove the H2S gas. Then add some dilute nitric acid to oxidize if there is Fe2 plus ions to Fe3 plus, and add some ammonium chloride and ammonium hydroxide to form the basic medium. Then it forms three major cations as precipitate: ferric hydroxides, chromium hydroxides and aluminium hydroxide. Then get the filtrate out. Next page. From here, then take the filtrate out and here the filtrate which taken from here ferric hydroxide and aluminium hydroxide and chromium hydroxide precipitates, right? Then I took the filtrate, then I add some, I bubble some H2S gas through this basic medium, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium chloride solution. Then we can observe four main sulfides precipitates. Four main sulfide precipitate. What are those? COS, cobalt sulfide, and NIS and COS. Those are black color precipitates. And zinc sulfide, it's white color precipitate. And manganese sulfide, it's pink color precipitate. Right. Then again take the filtrate out, add some ammonium carbonate Then we can observe some carbonate precipitates. Calcium carbonates, strontium carbonates, barium carbonate. Strontium carbonate, calcium carbonate and barium carbonate, those are white color precipitates. Then we can take the filtrate out, and I will separate those filtrate into two and add some ammonium phosphate. Ammonium phosphate. If the filtrate contains Mg2 plus ions, magnesium 2 plus precipitate as magnesium phosphate. Right. Then I can do the flame test. Okay, let's see how to identify the flame test colors. Lithium, strontium, lithium, strontium, lithium, strontium, lithium, sir. Those are red color in flame. Potassium and rubidium, potassium and rubidium. You can say potarubi, potassium and rubidium. Those are purple color. Cesium, blue color. Cube, green color. Na plus sodium, yellow color in flame test, yellow color, and calcium 2 plus is brick red color. Brick red color. If you can go through both first page and this page, you can score 7.5 marks in your A-level paper. Right? This is cation analysis. Lot of questions come with the cation analysis. How to find cations in the relevant cation sample. Here you are. Once you complete this session, you can score 7.5 marks in your A-level paper in the inorganic essay question. Today I think you have learned about cation analysis, and I think you are familiar with now what are the, how to identify cations, and today's session is over. Okay, let's meet in next session with interesting sessions with organic chemistry. Okay.